Bullish Nexo. Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.75 and $5.20 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.14 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.489390. Nexo presentation. Researchers learn one thing on account of the rise of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation and their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked resolutely to foster a unique digital currency that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby money. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a far-reaching value forecast of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Nexo clients might help credits got by digital forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The conditional scale. 2. Making it more straightforward for applications to flawlessly coordinate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change, thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a productive speculation decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction cash trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The principal advantage purchasers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many ventures will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly long-term, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo is as of now worth $0.611737 United States dollars. Nexo has moved 2.54% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $2,662,213. Nexo is as of now position 93 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $349,721,497 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD. From the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo. To conclude, we either having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Nexo value forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.917527. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.856359 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.734022. Nexo value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Nexo cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.53. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.22 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.35. Nexo value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.14. And Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.96 and a low of $1.84 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. Assuming that Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.75 with a base cost of $2.45 and a typical cost of $2.57. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.18 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.06 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $3.36. Nexo value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.79. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $3.98. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.67. Nexo value forecast 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.28 and a yearly cost close above $4.59 in 2029. Nexo value expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.89 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $5.20, averaging out at $5.02. Nexo value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $5.99 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $5.07.